welcome back. Today we have 1688 count of matches in tournament. It says here you are given an integer n, which is the number of teams in a tournament that has strange rules. The rules are, if the current number of teams is even, each team gets paired with another team. A total of the count divided by 2 matches are played, and that same count of teams advance to the next round. If the current number of teams is odd, pretty much the same number of pairs that can be paired up are added to the match's count. However, the solo remaining person is not able to play. However, they do advance to the next round. So a good example is example 2. We can kind of go through these here. Let's see. There we go. Alright, so the main thing we want to check is the number of teams, the matches played, and then the number of teams going to the next round. Here we go. So we start at 14, and because it's even, they can all be paired up, and that many pairs are added to the number of matches. So we add a 7, and our current matches, aka results, starts at 7, so this is equal to 7. And then the next round gets all the pairs. So if the pairs are 7, the 7 people go to the next round. Now we have 7 teams. This is odd, and that's okay. So that means 3 teams are paired up. 6 members get to play. 3 teams actually do a match, and we can add a 3, and that becomes a 10. But then, not only the 3 pairs, but also the one person who wasn't able to get paired up, they move to the next round. So 3 plus 1, total of 4. 4 teams go to the next round. Now we start at 4. 4 people, or 4 sub-teams can be paired into 2 sub-teams, and that results in 12. And then 2 move on to the next round. Okay? And now we have 2. The 2 can be paired with each other. They do 1 match, and when they do that 1 match, they get 3. And at this point, there's nobody remaining. So our total is 13. Now, if we translate this into code, it's quite simple. Let's say we have matches. It starts at 0, but this is also the result that we're trying to return. The total matches played. Okay? And we also have, let's see, we have our exit condition, which is, while the number of teams is greater than 1, that means we can make pairs. The pairs will be teams divided by 2, and the odd one out is if teams modulo 2 results in 1. And this will be 1 if the count of teams is uneven. It will be 0 if the count of teams is even. Then we add 2 matches, the pairs, because only the pairs get to play. But then for the teams gets updated to the pairs plus odd. So it's the number of teams that get to move on to the next round, and the odd one out if there is an odd one out. And the tabbing is a little weird here, but that's okay. And then at the end, we return the total number of matches played. Let's run it. Oh no. Oh, okay. Well, so n is basically the number of teams. So let's update that to n. Here we go. And submit. And this does run in linear time, and for space we only use constant variables, so O of 1 space. So O of n time and O of 1 space. That's once again 1688 count of matches in tournament. Thanks so much. Happy coding. See you next time.